What you saying, Gracie? What you saying? What's happening? Are you distracted by the light now and you're not going to talk to us? Is that what's happening? Oh. What's going on? What'd you do today? You got some stories to tell, huh? Got something to tell us? Come on, tell us. What? Go ahead. Come on. Tell us all about it. Oh. What else? A giraffe. The hippopotamus. What else, baby cakes? What else happened? Huh? What you got to talk about? What? Come on. Come on, tell us. Come on, tell me. Come on, tell Grandma Mama. What? So much to say. Come on. Come on. What? You want to make the sound? You're not going to make it. Come on. What do you have to say? What do you have to tell us today? Come on. What? What? What's the story? Come on, tell me the story. Tell me your story. What? Tell Grandmama. Come on. Come on. What? Come on, tell us. What? What, huh? What are you going to tell us? What? Huh? What? Is this the sad part, huh? Come on. Tell us all about it. Come on. What? What? Yeah? What? What else? You got her on your face, baby. What else? That was a good one. That sounds exciting. That sounds exciting. You have more to tell us? You have more to tell us? Go ahead, tell us all about it. This is so cute. That's such a good story. Yeah, what else? Tell us more. Tell us more. What else happened? What? You gotta learn to control yourself. Mommy's crazy. It's so funny. Come on. You got more stories? Come on, tell us. Tell us. Yeah. That sounds really good. Yes, it does. Yeah. I say that too. Yeah. Oh, she's discovering her voice. Come on, tell us. Tell us all about it. What else? What? What? Come on, tell us. What? What? Tell me. Tell Grandma Mama. Tell Grandma Mama Mama. Yes? Yes, what else? What else? Come on, tell me. Don't hold back. Tell us all the details. Come on. Come on. What? What? Really? What else? What else, baby cakes? What else? Come on, tell us. Where? What else happened? What else happened? What? What? Tell me. What? What? Come on. Finish the story. Oh, what? The expressions, my goodness. Tell me. Must have been good. What? Tell Grandmama. Yeah? Is that the end? Okay. I think that was a really good story.
Good story, baby girl.